Hi
Hi
messy
messy
people,
people,
today's
today's
video is
video
a
is on
review
this
on this
Aobosi
Aobosi
stand
stand
mixer,
mixer,
and
and
if
if
you
you
want
want
to
to
know
know
more
more
about this,
about
just
this
keep on
and my
watching.
review, just keep on watching. Alright, so I actually bought this mixer because the one that I have is an old school one with two attachments, so it's just a holding one, and this one is something that I've never tried or gotten before. So this is something like the KitchenAid, but of course this is like a low grade kind of brand, and I've never really heard of this brand, but from the research that I did, actually I found this one to be the best one, so I decided to get this. And just ignore my dog, he loves to investigate stuff. Yeah, so this is how it looks. It's a gray color, and then it's kind of strong and sturdy, so it's a 6 liter. There are like 6 speed functions, but actually I feel the 5 and 6 is really too much because the machine starts to shake. But until 4 it's fine. I tried 4 and it's still okay. So actually underneath the machine there is like a thing that will suck to the surface where you put it, so actually it won't move or budge unless you remove it. And I think it's a good thing to have if you actually use the higher speed, so that it holds it up there. And also the splash guard on top, so it's actually covered in both pieces. To open, you just need to pull down the lever and then it will come up. So when you want to pull it down, you need to pull down the lever again, then push it down so that it will secure it. Then there's the splash guard, which is you can remove, and then it's washable. Yeah, so when I was doing my research on which one I want to get, I saw that this one was like the most sturdiest that apart from the rest, so it's not that strong, or it doesn't hold when you do the baking itself. So I think this is it as per the reviews, it really was trustable and reputable. So this is the two other attachments. One is for like the other bakings, and another one is for the bread. So the first one is actually more like for a whisking kind, and this one's more like for the cake. So the box actually does have some other for how you can use it and all that, and there's also like a manual. Yeah, I've already used it twice for doing my brownies, which is what you see here, and then also a lemon pound cake. So both of it actually really turned out well, and I'm very happy that I actually bought this after all my research, because I know the KitchenAid is really expensive, and this one is like a really cheaper version, which it does function as well. So I'm not sure, because I've not owned the KitchenAid, but I'm not don't know how that and this compares. But of course this is a lower grade one, and you have to expect what you buy for that value. But I'm really glad that this is working well for me. Yeah, so that's the end of my video, guys. Hope you liked it, and if you have any questions, let me know. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be